àwa ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà àwa rè. So section tàwa yìí ló ń pè ní wóróbo àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. This is wóróbo, and wherever you have kókóró, ẹ̀pà, àádùn. So what are we talking about here? This is a symbol of children. Tá bá fẹ́ bọ ẹgbẹ́ nísìn gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó máa kó kalẹ̀ rí tó máa fi bọ ẹgbẹ́. It is a sign of surplus, a sign of blessing. Pé ilé tí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan báyìí bá wà, there will be progress, there will be blessing, there will be joy, there will be, everything good in that house. So ìdí táwa Yorùbá ṣe máa ń jẹ irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí rè kò ń ṣe fáwọn gan in particular, but torí àwọn èwe, because we believe that they are the future of tomorrow. So that's why we have all of this. Tẹ́ bá wo zobo, ẹ rí pé fruit ni, natural ingredient ni. It does not need any form of preservative or anything. It is natural, it is Yoruba, it is original. So àwọn nǹkan tí ó wà ń bí òun lélẹ̀ ilé ni. So these are the things that we need to promote our own local snacks, local food. Nígbà tí ẹ débí yìí sìn ṣe rí sneakers àbẹ̀ rí chocolate. These are the things that we use táwọn náà máa fi ń panu. Tẹ́lẹ̀ bù díẹ̀ sí. Ó débẹ̀, ó tutù, nǹkan ń pè ní tiwa rèé. Bá mu kóòkì ń sùn, gbogbo ẹ̀ ó ti súnyàn, ó ti is natural. Tẹ bá tún wá wò ó tún láta. Ó fi hàn pé Yorùbá àpàtà ṣeré. That's why we say ẹ̀mí tí ò játa, ẹ̀mí yẹpẹrẹ ni, kò tà wá lẹ́nu ẹ ṣe gan. Tẹ bá wo ohun tó wà mí báyìí, cucumber drink lélẹ̀. As you are coming home for Detty December, dirty whatever, it doesn't mean you have to make your system dirty also. I mean, keep your system clean. Keep it healthy. So that is why we have this kind of drink here. Not all the time we'll be drinking Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, and all of that. We have cucumber drink here. This is a natural food. It does not have any preservative or any added chemicals. It is all natural. And also here, we have kunu. Kunu is here. So everything natural. As you are coming home for Detty December, Lagos is your #1 destination for all this kind of thing. We don't want you to ruin your health. We don't want you to destroy your health. Stage ibi tá wà yìí. Kò síbi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti lè rẹ́ja, kò síbi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti lè rédé, ẹ lè travel, ẹ lọ àwọn bí oríṣiríṣi. Àmọ́ tẹ́ bá ti ń jẹ ẹja, if you have not eaten any fish from Lagos, I don't think you have eaten fish, because this is original, this is our own. Èkó ló lẹja, Èkó ló lédé, Èkó ló lọ́bọ̀kún, Èkó ló ní gbogbo ohun tó wà nú odò. Torí àwa la lòkun, àwa la lọ̀sà, àwa lọ ní bàbá omi. So eléyìí ló ń pè ní ẹja yọyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí lé. Ẹja yọyọ rèé, àtẹ̀dé, ìpápánu náà ni. Ẹ bá ń sọ pé ìpápánu kẹ́nu má dilẹ̀. Instead of máa jẹun tí ò da sára, ká jẹun tó da báyìí. When we talk about food that are original to us in Yoruba land, Amala is #1. Even all over the world now, the rep that Amala is getting, no other food is getting it. Amala is #1. Amala has traveled international. Amala has traveled everywhere. And we used to say something. I am a Babaláwo. And there is a verse that we created. They said, Àrígbẹ̀gìrì ṣoge lorúkọ tá à ń pe Amala. Because without gbẹ̀gìrì, what is Amala? And ọjọ́ tí Amala bá fojú kan ó yọ, ọjọ́ náà ni tinú rẹ̀ ń yọ. This is Oyo or Ewedu. This is gbẹ̀gìrì. And do you know that as you are eating Amala, gbẹ̀gìrì and Ewedu, you are also eating, you are imitating Shango, because this is the favorite food of Shango, one of the greatest deity in Yoruba land. This is the favorite food of that Orisha. Now when we now come to Orishirishi, Orishirishi is not just a word. When we say Orishirishi, it means different things, different varieties. Different varieties means Shaki, Pomo, Edo, Fuku, Abodi, all of this. Without all of this, Amala is not complete. Amala has order. You cannot carry the commissioner and place it on the president. It does not work. Now, where is the president? Amala. So you are serving the Amala first as the foundation, as the president. And after the Amala, you will use the gbẹ̀gìrì to design the body of the Amala, to beautify it. Because Amala has a lot of colors. Then after gbẹ̀gìrì, you are going to transform it with Ewedu, so that everything that is hard in the Amala can be soft. The meat, momo, abodi, fuku, edo, nkonu, shaki, and everything. So that now shows the full combination, the full beauty of Amala. The section where we are here now is what we have Ofada. And if you want to look at the origin of Ofada, Ofada is gotten from the word, from a town in Ogun State, Ofada. That is where Ofada is discovered in around 1948 or so. I'm an historian, so don't worry. I did my research. So Ofada is a combination of Nigeria and Asia. It's the first rice that we planted in Nigeria without any kind of chemicals, without any kind of preservative or anything. And so this is what makes it original to us in Yoruba land, in Africa, and in Nigeria. So this is our own pride. This is Africa's pride. It does not have any kind of side effects. Well, of course, we know most of our food have their own side effects, but Ofada has been tested to be healthy in any way. And what will you eat with Ofada? We have the Ayamashe sauce, which is also discovered in Yoruba land, in Nigeria. And it is a combination of pepper, orishirishi, and egg. And it is also coupled with the plantain. As you know, in Yoruba land, whenever we are doing anything, any kind of food, I can tell you that 70% of our food has to be pepperish. Because we believe that emiti ojata, emi yepereni. So it has to have the feeling, the taste, the fire in it. And this is what pepper soup represents. This is a chicken pepper soup, right? And as you can see, it's own sokutu owo. This is what we call sokutu owo. Own sokutu owo. Because don't look at the pepper. The sauce, the taste is heaven. That is the combination, the flavor and everything. It has to be pepperish. That is why they call it pepper soup. And this is our lady here, the pepper soup queen. Is it in Nigeria or in the whole world?